What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you guys see behind me, today's a very exciting day. We're putting the DONZI ZRC in the water. We're gonna be going on a test run, and hopefully, crossing fingers, everything should be fine, everything should be smooth, because we have fixed everything on this boat. For those of you who don't know what this is a 38 DONZI ZRC. It's my father's boat, and he rebuilt the engines with Cobra power. They have 1075s, and they've been upgraded to 1,200 horsepower. They did a bunch of things to it, and today's gonna be the first time that we're gonna take it for a rip. Alright guys, so we just launched her. We're here in Matheson Hammock. We're just gonna go for a quick 10, 15, 20 little rip around Miami and see how she does. Look at this thing. I've become a real big fan of these little VTEC boats. This one is done up perfectly. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like it. Little father and son bonding time. I don't know if it's that these sheets got a little tight or I got a little puffy, but I don't fit in these sheets anymore. Oh. Alright, I'm in. Let's go. What size props are you running right now?
39, 17, 6 blade.
So we're running a 39, 16, 17, 6 blade prop. For those of you who are interested in knowing the specs. So 3,000 RPMs, 50 miles an hour at 3,000 RPMs. Trim down. Remember guys, we just went for a little sea trial. We came up to the Biscayne Bridge and now we're going back to the truck. So let's go. And we were climbing 125 and we were going there. We were amazing. 125 miles an hour like nothing, and still climbing. Yeah, right there, Matthew's hammock. You gotta go that way, man. There's a shadow right here. You gotta go that way. You know it's a good day when you get back to the marina and both of your engines are still running. You know it's also a good day when you get back to the marina after doing 120 plus miles an hour and nothing broke. So, are you happy? He's happy. You know how long it's been since I've seen a smile on this guy's face with this boat? A long time. A long time. I keep telling him he needs an outboard boat though. MTI with twin outboards. You guys should comment down below what you guys think. Should he trade the DONZI ZRC with 1200 horsepower inboards for an MTI with twin 400 or twin 450Rs? So comment down below. Do you guys think he should trade the inboards for a catamaran with 2 outboards, or should he keep the V bottom with the inboards? What do you guys think? Preformence Boat Center is the one who did all the rigging on this boat, so everything is perfect. All the fittings, all the wiring, everything is perfect. Preformance Boat Center did an amazing job. Cobra Power did an amazing job on building the engines. Like, my father is very happy with this turnout. We did 125 miles an hour and climbing. He let off and it was still climbing. You guys saw the video. So for a 38-foot V bottom, that's amazing. I still think he should trade this in for an MTI with twin outboards. But my old man is a very old school guy and he loves his V bottom, big horsepower inboards. Don't pay too much attention to the trailer. When we bought the boat, it didn't have a trailer. We bought this trailer last minute. Ooh, that's a sexy looking boat. I know the trailer looks like crap. That's the next thing on the list to change. We're gonna be getting a brand new trailer for this bad boy. So first thing was the engine, getting her nice and pretty, and now it's the trailer. So woohoo!
Leave it right here, Oliver.
So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a long time coming, and we had a successful first sea trial. All right, there's still little things that we gotta adjust, but that's how it is with boats. There's always something, especially with inboards. You know how it is. Inboards love mechanics, but this boat is almost officially done. All right, guys. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Stay tuned for the following videos. All right. Peace.